Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today let's talk about how does NordVPN work. First, let's download and install NordVPN from the Play Store or App Store. Once it's downloaded, just hit open and here you can log in or sign up. After logging in, you can get subscription by clicking it. You'll have access to 5,800 servers in 60 countries, including peer-to-peer, Onion over VPN, and double VPN specialty servers. In the settings, you'll find CyberSec, which protects against malware and harmful ads. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps use the VPN. You can adjust auto connect options, choose between Nord links and OpenVPN, change your DNS with custom DNS, and enable tab jacking protection. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.